welcome. You first. Please. Please. Make me the happiest man on earth. Please marry me.
What more could I ask for? If not a man like you. I love you. And I promise to be by your side every day of my life. Yes.
Oh my God.
I love you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. No.
It's been 2 whole years. 2 years since you've been gone. The pain got really deep. It really hurts my soul. And I miss you every single day. I wish you were here with me, my love. Why is that so cruel to me? I love you, Duke. I will always love you. I promise I wouldn't cry. So no, I won't cry. I'll be strong for you. My love. My heartbeat.
When are we going to see your mom?
My mom?
Yes, your mom. Your mom. Remember you said we were going to see her once we're back in Nigeria.
Oh. Oh, yes.
You think she's not going to like me? Huh?
Hey. So when are we going to see your dad?
Babe, did you forget we saw my father last Sunday?
Oh, yes. We did? Oh, yes, we did. So babe, how are we planning for your birthday next week?
Not expensive. Not classy. Just a low key.
Come here. Come here, you beautiful damsel. Come here. Come on. We're here. Hope you like this place, huh?
Yeah, I like it.
So what do you care for?
Any cocktail available?
Okay. Oh, let me make use of the convenience before I call them, okay? Yeah. Excuse me?
Oh my God, V, look at you.
Yeah!
It's so good to see you. To see you again.
Yeah.
Man.
Oh,
I've been good.
How are you?
So, I'm good. And you?
Perfect. So what's wrong? This is not my girl. You know, this is not the Benny that is usually cheerful. What happened?
Well, this is my life now, ever since I lost my husband.
Oh. I am so sorry. I
It's
didn't
okay.
hear about that.
Well, nobody was told because his body wasn't brought home.
Oh, okay. You died overseas?
The thing is, we had a really fatal auto crash. He was flown abroad for surgery. I was in a coma. You know, I woke up sometime after, some months later, I was told that he had a brain surgery because his brain was badly affected. And the brain surgery was done about 3 times. Still, there wasn't any headway. He was in so much pain that he had to just volunteer to donate his heart to a widowed woman. And that was how I lost my husband.
I am so sorry, okay?
It's okay.
But believe me, he's in a better place now. So sorry for your loss.
It's okay, but all the same, you look really good.
Oh, thank you.
So tell me, when did you get back?
Last month?
Really?
Yeah.
You will come back.
Thank you so much.
And it's really great to see you.
Same here.
Are you here alone?
Oh, I'm here with my boyfriend.
Oh, the
just
almighty
stepped
V. Finally
Yeah.
snatched someone.
Of course. Listen, it took me forever to get this man, so I am not playing.
I am so happy for you. That's the way to go, girl.
Yeah, sure. So how about we exchange contact?
Oh, I
So
was
we
about
can
to
keep
say
in
that.
touch.
Of course,
Yeah,
definitely.
Sure. Catch up the old time.
Yeah. Okay, you know what? Just put your number here. I will definitely give you a call.
Oh, perfect.
And it's good to see you, girl.
Same here, girl.
So I'll
That's
just
it.
beep you now so you have mine too.
Yeah.
It's ringing though.
Okay.
So just make sure you save the number.
Sure, we are. I'll forward the address to you so you can come around the house whenever you're bored.
Oh,
or
of
wanna
course.
talk to
Sure.
somebody.
Sorry. I actually was, waiting for someone and the person just sent me a message. It was super great to meet you once again.
Thank you.
Don't worry, we'll talk on phone. Let me
Yeah.
just quickly attend to this.
Sure.
All right. You have
Sure.
a fantastic day.
Okay, take care. Stay safe. Hey,
Oh my gosh.
you just missed my friend.
Oh, wow. Where is she?
Oh, she just left. Her name is Benny.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really? Nice. I've called a waiter to bring your orders, okay?
Okay, it's fine.
Yeah.
I
So,
kind of like this place.
you like it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if you like, you will like the issue.
No, I'm not doing that. Tell me you love me.
Of course, you know I love you.
Yeah, say it. Say it.
Of course,
Say it.
you know I love you, right?
Say it more. Louder.
What of chicken and chips?
No way. Say it like you mean it.
Have you tasted
Babe, say you love me.
the Sicilian?
Say you love me.
I was lost, you found me. I was broken. You fixed me. Please. Please. Make me the happiest man on earth. Please marry me.
What more could I ask for? If not a man like you. I love you. And I promise to be by your side every day of my life. Yes.
Oh my God.
I love you.
Thank you so much. Please.
Thank you. No.
Auntie, how are you doing?
I'm here. Duke, my son, you have been 40 years today.
I know, Auntie. Life is so cruel, but God knows best.
Have you heard from his wife?
Yes, I live close to her.
Really?
Yeah, but she's a shadow of herself now since Duke died.
Some pains are hard to bear. Some pains are hard to swallow.
I know, Auntie. God knows best.
Hello, V.
Oh yes, baby girl. He proposed. My wedding is next week. Please, I would like to have you in the house. At least you can cool over and help me plan my wedding. No, I haven't done this before.
Really? Oh my God. You know what? I will certainly come. Just send me the address and I'll be there. Oh God, congratulations, beautiful. I am super happy for you. Girl, wow, congrats. My regards to your man, okay?
Oh, thank you. I'll text you the address. Bye. Hey, are you serious? Wait. Wow, this is beautiful. I love you.
And on this same day, my love gave me the most beautiful yet strangest proposal ever.
What are you talking
I
about?
cannot take this rubbish from you.
What is going on with you?
What is going on? What?
Is everything okay?
You can't be cheating on me and
What do you mean by cheating on you? Why would I want to cheat on you?
Cheating on me, my
No,
friend.
I am not cheating on you.
Oh, I don't know what I saw.
What
right?
did you see?
I
Where
don't know
did
what
you
I
see
saw.
me?
This is the end of it.
Duke, what is wrong with
Get
you?
out from this car.
Duke.
You cannot be cheating on me and remain my girlfriend. Come. Get down from my car.
Hey, what's going on? What is wrong with you? What is happening?
Wait. Are you shouting at me?
No, I am not shouting on you, but you cannot accuse me of cheating. I will never dream of cheating on you.
Shouting at me on the road?
Duke, what's going on with you?
See, I am done with this rubbish. You can't continue doing this rubbish with me. You can't continue.
Duke, don't.
Hey! Don't touch my car. Don't.
What's going on?
Don't even try it.
Duke, what's happening? Duke, why are you embarrassing me? Can you stop this nonsense? What is this? What did I do? I am not cheating on you. Why would I want to cheat on you? I am not shouting, but please, come on. What's going on with you?
Are you crazy?
Duke,
Eh?
Duke.
Are you mad?
Duke.
Are you mad?
Can you stop?
You're shouting at me on the,
No.
shouting at me on the road?
No.
Eh?
Honey,
Hey! Don't even touch me. Don't try that rubbish with me.
please, what's going on? Honey, can you?
If I hear him now, I'll make you mad. Chiyala. Chiyala. Eh?
Duke, what are you
Try
doing?
and touch me now, you see.
Duke, what are
Hey!
you doing?
Chiyala.
Duke, please. Please.
By cheating on me, I'll make you mad. You made nabam. Do you know what I have in my pocket? You want me to jazz you?
Please, don't do
You want me to
this.
jazz you, right?
Please don't do
Eh?
this. I promise I am not
You
cheating.
promise what?
I'm not cheating on
You know what? You get mad now. Makorala now. Chiyala.
Duke, please
You
don't
Chiyala.
don't do this.
No, yala.
Duke, please don't do this, please.
Yala. Allah. I am sorry. I'm sorry, babe. I'm so sorry. Come here. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Why did you do this? Get out, Joe.
I'm so sorry, but you've not answered my question.
Yes, I'll marry you.
Thank you.
You're insane.
Marrying you was the most beautiful thing I ever did in my life. You'll forever remain here in my heart until we meet again. I love you. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you? You look good.
Thank you. You look better yourself.
Thank you. I hope you didn't find it difficult locating here.
No, not at all. I mean, the cabman seems to know this route pretty well.
Fair enough. Let's go in.
You have a beautiful house here.
Oh, yes, we do. You're welcome.
It's great to see you once again.
Same here.
Let's go.
You look good, my friend.
Thank you. You look good yourself. It's great to reconnect.
Here.
This is truly nice.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Honey, my friend is here.
Okay. Just a minute.
Okay. So, what do I offer you?
Well, whatever you have is okay.
No. This is your first time in the house. I am not taking a flight. Tell me what you want.
Okay, maybe some white wine or
Red wine will be fine. Okay. Duke. Means ticket. Benny. Get her water. Benny.
Hello?
Benny,
Hello?
wake up. Babe, get water. Benny. Benny. Babe, can you please get water? Benny. Benny. Do I call a doctor?
Are you okay?
Benny.
Are you okay? Should we call a doctor or a pastor or something?
You are alive. You're alive. You are alive.
Oh my God, thank God. He's alive. Thank God I found you. Oh my God, thank God. Where have you been? What happened? What are you doing here? I missed you.
Benny, stop. I know. Maybe the shock from the collapse or something. Just.
Why are you standing like that? You don't remember me. You remember me, right?
Are you okay?
Oh my God! This is really beautiful.
Right.
I mean, why do you surprise me all the time with such romantic gestures? Roses?
Because you are everything beautiful and your love is like beautiful roses. I can't imagine you painting my world with your love.
Oh,
I love you.
I love you more, and that's because you, my love, are the man for me. You complete me. I feel complete with you by my side. Dance, please.
Hey. Wake up. You're tired, I guess.
Yeah.
You know, I asked you to rest. Okay, you know what?
What?
Get up and get dressed. We're going for dinner.
Come on, babe. I cook. You don't need to waste money.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
I got you this.
Oh, aren't you the sweetest man ever? Oh, thank you.
Come on, let's go. You like it?
I love it. Thank you.
Come on, let's go.
How could you forget about me?
I do not know what you're talking about.
No, you do know what I'm talking about. Baby, okay, do you remember our beautiful moments? The surprises? The roses? Yes.
What roses?
Benny, stop. That's enough. I am not comfortable with this attitude of yours, alright?
Listen, the engagement, the wedding, our wedding.
I cannot take this rubbish.
What are you talking
I
about?
cannot take this rubbish from you.
What is going on with you?
What is going on? What?
Is everything okay?
You can't be cheating on me and
What do you mean by cheating on you? Why would I want to cheat on you?
Cheating on me, my
No,
friend.
I am not cheating on you.
Oh, I don't know what I saw.
What
right?
did you see?
I
Where
don't know
did
what I
you see
saw.
me?
This is the end of it.
Duke, what is wrong with
Get
you?
out from this car.
Duke.
You cannot remain. What? You cheating on me? I'll remain my girlfriend. Come. Get down from my car.
Hey, what's going on? What is wrong with you? What is happening?
Wait. Are you shouting at me?
No, I am not shouting on you, but you cannot accuse me of cheating. I will never dream of cheating on you.
Shouting at me on the road?
Duke, what's going on with you?
See, I am done with this rubbish. You can't continue doing this rubbish with me. You can't continue.
Duke, don't.
Hey! Don't touch my car. Don't.
What's going on?
Don't even try it.
Duke, what's happening? Duke, why are you embarrassing me? Can you stop this nonsense? What is this? What did I do? I am not cheating on you. Why would I want to cheat on you? I am not shouting, but please, come on. What's going on with you?
Are you crazy?
Duke,
Eh?
Duke.
Are you mad?
Duke.
Are you mad?
Can you stop?
You shot at me on the,
No.
shot at me on the road?
No.
Eh?
Honey,
Hey! Don't even touch me. Don't try that rubbish with me.
Please, what's going on? Honey, can
If I hear him now, I'll make you mad. Chiyala. Chiyala. Eh?
Duke, what are you
Try
doing?
and touch me now, you see.
Duke, what are you doing?
Chiyala.
Duke, please. Please.
By cheating on me, I'll make you mad. You made Nabam. Do you know what I have in my pocket? You want me to jazz you?
Don't do
You want me to jazz you, right?
Please don't do
Eh?
this. I promise I am not
You
cheating.
promise what?
I'm not cheating on
You know what? You get mad now. Makorala now. Chiyala.
Please
Chiyala.
don't do this.
No, yala.
Please don't do this, please.
Yala. Allah. I am sorry. I'm sorry, babe. I'm so sorry. Come here. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Why did you do this? Get out, Joe.
I'm so sorry, but you've not answered my question.
Yes, I'll marry you.
Thank you.
You're insane.
You asked me to marry you. I said yes. And on our wedding day, you stood right there. Slipped this ring on my finger. You stood there and vowed before man and God that you will always love me and you will never leave me till death do us part.
Can you just stop this? Can you just stop this now? I do not know you from Adam.
You do!
Benny, stop. Right? This is not interesting anymore. I don't want this.
Babe,
I don't like
I
it.
need to do this.
No, you're not doing it with my man.
He is my husband!
No, he is my man.
No, he is my husband, B!
Excuse me. You're not okay.
Babe, listen to me.
You're bad?
What is the meaning of that? What did you drink?
Do you think I am drunk?
If you're not drunk, then the death of your late husband has affected your brain.
Well, I am sound.
You don't look sound. If you're going to continue like this, I'll ask you to leave. Right?
Why not just go in there? Ask him a couple of questions because I know my husband and that man in there is my husband.
Have you ever met her before?
No. I have never set my eyes on her before. What is going on?
My love, have you ever traveled to Egypt with any woman at all?
Egypt?
Yes, Egypt.
I have nothing with Egypt. Just tell her to go.
What did he say?
What's his name?
His name is Duke.
Wrong. His name is not Duke. My man has never lived in Egypt before.
Why? Why do you think I am insane?
I did not say you are insane. Benny, you need to see a doctor or a therapist. I totally understand your state of mind.
No. I know my husband Let me talk to him for just a few minutes, please.
What do you want to talk to him about? Benny, what is wrong with you?
Duke.
I am not Duke. I've told you before. What is wrong with you? Hey, this is going to be the last time I will say this. I won't say it again. I am not Duke.
Benny, I've really tried so much to be understanding with you. But I won't have you come here and insult my man. He is not Duke. I need you to get out. If you do not want to see the bad side of me, Benny, get out.
V, please do not ask me out. Let me just look. V, please
Get out. You are my friend and
Her back, please.
V,
get out. Benny, please get out.
No.
I am not Duke. I'm my brother Duke. Not Duke. I'm Duke. I'm not Duke now. What's this?
Now listen. If you continue like this, I'll keep the friendship aside and deal with you mercilessly. If you get out, leave. Leave.
Could this be a dream? Does Duke have an identical twin brother?
Outburst. I've really told her to, see a doctor. What is it again?
I need to talk to my husband. That's my husband.
He is not your husband.
He is my husband.
What is wrong with you?
You are the person wrong with me right now. Excuse me, now talk to my husband.
No, get out.
Now, I don't even get you. Why are you trying to stop me? What is this? What do you think you're doing? Are you trying to say I do not know my husband when I see him? That is Duke, seated right there. My husband, legally wedded husband. Now get off. I need to talk to him.
Fine. Since you claim that he is your husband, where is he from?
Is that supposed to be a question?
Yeah. Let's start from there. Where am I from?
Well, Duke, my husband, you are from Nanny.
Point of correction, my name is not Duke.
You are Duke, my husband, and I'm not leaving this place without you.
You are
Let's
wrong.
I know what you're talking about. I am not Duke.
Benny, you are wrong. He is not from Nene. My man is not from Nene. Now get out.
No, I am not leaving. I do not know what you
tolerated
did to
you
him.
enough.
I do not care, but I am not leaving this place without my husband. Duke, come on, let's go.
Benny, don't even try
really?
it. You see the other side of me. Get out.
No.
Now.
No.
Now.
I will not leave this place without my husband. Duke, let's go.
I'll push you.
Really?
Trust me. You need to stop this madness now.
No.
He is my man. Can you see that?
My husband.
My man!
My husband!
My man!
My husband!
My husband!
It's okay, it's okay.
Get out!
Let me handle this, okay?
Babe, I got this. Alright? She's my friend.
Duke, let's
take
go.
care of her. Benny, get out.
No, I won't leave this
Leave
place.
my
without-
house.
Babe, it's okay, it's okay.
I won't leave this place.
I do not want to push you, right?
You
get
won't
out.
even dare, V.
Benny,
won't.
leave my house.
No.
Now.
You think I am mad?
What is wrong with you? You are mad.
What is wrong with you?
You are mad.
You are mad. You are mad. No. No.
Leave.
No.
Leave my house.
You know,
leave my house. Get out. Leave my house. Leave my house.
you are pushing me to the wall.
You can do nothing.
You are pushing me to the wall, V.
Whatever. Bring it on. Nonsense. Go and see a doctor. Mad girl. Yes, baby. You are not Duke. No, you are not Duke, my love. You're DK. My DK. Right?
Do I resemble you?
No, you don't look like Duke. You are not Duke. You are my DK. I got you.
I am not Duke!
Yes, he is not Duke!
I am not Duke!
Open the door. V. V, please open this door. V.
My love is here with you. Give me my you say I'm mad, but I natural love. Natural love. You say I'm miracle. Oh yeah, you're my I only want my lover. Go bim jolo. Natural love mo. Go bim jolo. I'm not crazy at all. This is my love. Follow me out. You say I'm mad, but I natural love. I want my love. You say I'm miracle. Oh yeah, you're I need my love. I want my lover. Go bim jolo. Acholo mo love mo. Go bim jolo. I want my love back. Oh. You say I'm mad.
That's why you do this to yourself. Come the woman they wound you.
That man in there is my husband.
I am not mad.
But now come they go abeg.
I am not
They go
mad.
sack me for this place so. That's one reason why the manage be this. Abeg come they go. Come they go. Abeg come they go.
Not natural. Not the wrong. I'm not
They go abeg they go. They go. They go.
I am not mad.
I know they go. Now they go now abeg they go. They go abeg.
So I can see you ever, baby. I can hold you at last, baby.
When I first met him in New Delhi, he was. He no. He can't be her husband. No way. She must be mad. Not him.
What are you doing here?
Busy. The Lord finally heard my prayers. You cannot believe what is going on.
What's going on?
I saw my husband. I saw him in V's house.
Can you stop? Can you stop hurting yourself?
Busy, can you just listen to me? Please, listen to me.
Benny, I have told you several times. Go and see a therapist. Go and see a therapist. Why are you hurting yourself? Duke is dead and buried.
No.
Why are you doing this to yourself?
No, he's not. No, listen. Busy, I am mentally sound, okay? I saw him. I know what I am saying. You know what? It's fine. Come with me. Let's go to V's house and you see for yourself. Come on.
Stop. Stop doing this to yourself. Can you stop dwelling in the past and just forget about him? He's dead and buried.
Benny, what?
He's alive. I found him. I found him. My husband, Duke, is alive. And he's about to marry someone else.
Benny.
Yes, Mama.
Why have you chosen not to move on? Benny, you can't be doing this to yourself. Duke is my son. You can't love him much more than I do. I carried him in my womb for solid 9 months.
Yes, Mama.
He is my son.
I know. I know he's your son. But he's also my husband. I know what I am saying. Please believe me, Mama. I saw him. I promise I'm not lying.
Penny.
Mama.
Do you know what? Penny, you need help. Yes. You need serious help. I don't want you to come and remind me what I have put behind me.
Mama.
Please.
I am not insane. I saw him. I am talking about now, not the past. Duke is alive. I promise you, Mama. Please, just believe me. You know me, Mama. I never lie. I saw him. I saw my husband, Mama. I am not sick. I promise you I'm not lying.
It's okay. It's okay, Benny.
Yes, Mama.
You have to go home, okay? You have to go home and rest. Go home, freshen up, lie down and sleep, please. Go home. Get yourself some rest.
Mama, you think I'm sick?
Please, go and rest, okay?
Mama, why can't you just trust me? I've never lied to you.
I do.
I saw my husband.
Go home. Penny. Penny, please.
Mama, I don't want you to cry. Fine, I'll leave, but...
Go home, please.
Fine, Mama. I'm leaving. But...
Go home. Just go home.
Just...
You need rest.
Oh, fine. 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 I'm leaving. I'm leaving. No. First off, I am not mad. I'm not mad. No. I saw my husband. I saw my husband. That was my husband. I touched him. I felt him. I perceived his smell. It was my husband. Right. Yes. It could... It could have been his ghost. No, you can't touch a ghost. It was my husband. That was Duke over there. That was my husband. I am not mad. I am not mad. I am not mad. But why would you say I'm mad? She has my husband. Not my husband. Duke.
Yeah, madam!
What? I have told you to please help me call your madam.
She tell you touch your friend. Madam, if na your friend, call am now. Sure you get her number. Call am, abeg. Eh?
And we used to be friends, but we're no longer friends.
You see am? I talk am say na only my people na dey come here today.
I beg your pardon?
Pardon. Madam, if you dey my brother, I no go give you abeg. Come dey go abeg. You want me to sack me? I don't want me to sack me for abeg. Now this business that they manage, abeg dey go abeg.
Please help me call V. I need to talk. It's very important.
Madam, abeg.
I need to talk to her.
Madam, later abeg you call her. You go call her abeg. Later abeg come dey go. Abeg I no get time.
take this rubbish.
What are you talking
I
about?
cannot take this rubbish from you.
What is going on with you?
What is going on what?
Is everything okay?
You can't be cheating on me and
What do you mean by cheating on you? Why would I want to cheat on you?
Cheating on me, my
friend.
friend.
No, I am not cheating on you.
Oh, I don't know what I saw.
What did you see? Where did you see me?
This is the end of it.
Duke, what is wrong with you?
Get out from this guy.
Duke.
You cannot be cheating on me and remain my girlfriend. Get down from my car.
Wait, what's going on? What is wrong with you? What is happening?
Wait. Are you shouting at me?
No, I am not shouting on you, but you cannot accuse me of cheating. I will never dream of cheating on you.
You shouted at me on the road?
Duke, what's going on with you?
See, I am done with this rubbish. You can't continue doing this rubbish with me. You can't continue.
Duke, don't.
Hey! Don't touch my car. Don't.
What's going on?
Don't even try it.
Duke, what's happening? Duke, why are you embarrassing me? Can you stop this nonsense? What is this? What did I do? I am not cheating on you. Why would I want to cheat on you? I am not shouting, but please, come on. What's going on with you?
Are you crazy?
Duke,
Eh?
Duke.
Are you mad?
Duke.
Are you mad?
Can you stop?
You shot at me on the road?
No.
Eh? Hey! Don't even touch me. Don't try that rubbish with me.
What's going on? Honey,
If I hear people now, I'll make you mad. Chiyala. Eh?
You what are you doing?
Try and touch me now, you see.
You what are you doing?
Chiyala.
Duke, please.
By cheating on me, I'll make you mad. You made nabam. Do you know what I have in my pocket? You want me to jazz you?
Please, don't do
You want me to jazz you, right?
Please don't do this. I promise I am not cheating.
You promise what?
I'm not cheating on you.
You know what? You get mad now. Now. Chiyala.
Please don't do this.
No, yala.
Please don't do this, please.
Yala. Allah. I am sorry. I'm sorry, babe. I'm so sorry. Come here. I'm so sorry.
Why did you do this? Get out, Joe.
I'm so sorry, but you've not answered my question.
Yes, I'll marry you.
Thank you.
Get out! You're insane.
Are you still sad about what happened here today?
I don't know what is wrong with me. I don't even know. I think something is not right with me.
Babe, don't say that. Everything is right with you. Do not be distracted. We have a wedding to plan, remember?
What's her name again?
Benny.
Benny?
Hey.
Please. Don't say I'm troubling you. Please. I need you to come with me. So you believe everything I'm telling you. Please.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
He's alive. And he's at V's house. Please.
Benny, can you stop this? Why do you think you're the only one who is that affected? Why are you showing the world your weakness?
Can the world just believe me? Just this once. See, can you believe me? This once, I promise. I promise you. If you come with me to a house and he's not the person there, don't ever believe anything I tell you. Ever again. Please. Oh, please, just...
Let's assume you saw a ghost. Are you expecting me to see the same ghost with you?
It's not a ghost. It's not a ghost. Please. Please.
I was at V's house. I couldn't get in. I don't think she lives there anymore.
She lives there. I promise you. She does live there. Listen, please. I beg you. Listen, please. Help me. Please, please.
Oh, can you just help me? Please. Get out. What are you doing?
Yeah, but now what you be all this ones now? Now what you be all this ones? I beg. When I come to do I beg. What you be all this ones?
Come this close, eh? If you come this close, I'll go slap you. You ain't mad? You ain't mad? Let her spit on me like that.
I dem mad, madam. I dem mad.
Then go to a psychiatric. What's wrong with this one?
I dem mad though.
Stop spitting on people here. Idiots.
No, I don't understand. What you be all this one, sef? I don't understand. What you be all this one? Eh?
So what do we call this?
She sees her husband in everything in my house. Why?
V, you and I know that Duke is in there.
There is no Duke in my house. There is no Duke in there.
I'm sorry, I think we can talk about this. Please.
There is nothing to talk about. She told me her husband died in Egypt and has been buried. I met my man in India and we've been together for 5 years. Benny, 5 years.
Sis, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
Benny, let's go.
What?
Get out.
Don't do that. What are you saying, Bisi? You're trying to tell me I don't know my husband?
Listen, we can't come to somebody's house and be talking about a ghost. Please, let's go.
No, fine, we'll leave. First, let her call him out. If you see that the person that comes out isn't Duke, I promise I will leave.
Benny,
I just told you something, Bisi. Is it that you're not listening to me?
Benny, can you just get out of my house?
Let's go, Sarah.
Now!
Go.
Get out!
I am not lying to you.
Sorry,
Duke is in there.
There's no Duke in my house. I have DK and you.
Huh?
I don't ever want to see this element in my house.
Yes, ma'am.
Else you lose your job.
Sorry, ma'am.
Stupid.
This is so embarrassing.
My husband is in there with her. Come on.
Babe, you know what? If you stop thinking too much about him, his ghost will stop coming to you.
It's not his ghost.
Benny.
Come on. Take a good look at me. Do I look like a child? Are you telling me that I can't even recognize my husband when I see him?
Benny, please, let's go. Let's just go. Let's just go, please.
Ain't going nowhere with you.
You know what? I'm out of this place, okay?
Fine.
I need you to leave.
Please, V. Let me just talk to him. I beg you. Please.
Fine. Since you've decided to disgrace me in my own house, I'll treat you like a total stranger.
V. V. 'Cause 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 V. 'C
Who be that again? Wetin dey happen for here?
Perhaps she disappeared from one of the psychiatric hospitals.
I am not.
You are mad, Benny. Are you
Madam.
not mad?
You have to come with us.
No, I am not mad. Listen, V, please, I am begging you. Don't do this.
Do you hear that? That is how they talk. Exactly how they behave. You are mad.
V, you know I am not mad.
Take her away.
Don't touch me.
Please be gentle.
If I am mad, I am not mad.
Can you come with us?
Can you not touch me? V, what you thinking? Can you go now? V, you know I am. You know me.
Let's move. Let's.
Don't, I'm walking. Don't touch me. I am not mad. This is not fair to me. What V is doing is not right. Don't touch me!
Hello? I think Benny needs help. I think she needs help. Can you imagine Benny went to her friend's house and said she saw Duke? She has put herself in a state whereby she sees his ghost every day. You need to come and see her. You need to come and see her. Things have gone out of hand.
I just want you to answer these questions so we'll know how to help you. When did it start?
I'm fine. There's nothing wrong with me.
Okay. When was the last place you visited for?
I am not mad. I just want to go home. I have to leave this place. I just want to go. Are you?
Where is she?
I put her in her place.
And what do you think?
What do you mean by what do I think?
I mean, is she going to come back again?
No. I just said I put her in her place. Babe, there's nothing to worry about. Absolutely. Okay? Come here.
Benny really needs help. I need to find a way to help her.
She has been taken to where she's ought to be.
Where exactly?
She's making troubles.
Fine, but where is she right now?
The government has taken care of her. At least, there she won't be seeing ghosts anymore. She's in a psychiatric home.
V, how could you? How could you do that?
How could I? I did what I should have done long ago. Now let me ask you, do you really care so much about her? Or you just want to see her go stark naked on the street before you realize her case is severe? You see?
How could you do that? How could you? What have you done to her?
She needs serious attention, and we have started already.
Busy. Tell them I'm not mad. I saw Duke in that house. He looked lost, but he was there.
Sir, please, can I take her with me? Our family can continue from where you stopped.
You know it's not possible. We can't. There was a family when she was going to that house, attacking them. This kind of case cannot be left behind like that.
Busy. You need to help me. Please. That's all I ask. Just help me. If you go to that house and you don't see him there, then you can just forget about me. You don't have to come for me again. But please just do me this last favor. Go there and check. I promise you. Please, Busy. Please. Help me.
around. Please tell me the truth. Please tell me the truth. Tell me the truth.
About what?
Where did you bury my cousin Duke?
Oh, you see, you are going to make me cry again. Why are you doing this to me? I just want to forget about Duke for now. Why you... Oh.
Listen, we have a very serious situation at hand. Yes, we have a very serious situation at hand.
What is it?
His wife. She said she saw him somewhere.
What? Where?
Exactly. She said she saw him at her friend's house.
That's not possible. I watched them bury Duke. So what are you saying? Oh, Bisi, why are you doing this to me? Why do you keep reminding me of something I've forgotten?
Who do I believe now? Eh? Who do I believe now?
Bisi, please, I have a lot of work in my table. I have to return now, please. See you.
Yeah, Kilo, what's up?
Kilo, there's a problem. Kilo, there's a problem. I think... Damn.
So, babe, the wedding planner said we can come today at 2 p.m.
We can't go. I will be going to the spa by 2.
Okay, fine. If you want us to...
Let me just get in and change into something better. Hmm?
Then we'll go.
You couldn't have taken her there.
Excuse me? So you want me to allow her hurt my men and I? Are you okay?
Your man?
Oh, please shut it. I do not have time for this. Okay? Since you know where she is, you can just go right there and pamper her. Do whatever you want with her. Just get out. V. Just get out. Oh my God.
Hey, babe.
I'm tired.
Why?
Oh, babe, can we just leave this later, please?
Don't worry. I'll drive.
No, please, later. I'm tired.
What happened? Huh? What happened?
Babe, I'm tired. I can do this later.
What? You are alive?
What?
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? How can't this whole silly drama end?
Do you remember me? I'm Bisi, your cousin.
Oh, he is not your cousin, girl.
I was at the airport with Brown when you were flown to Egypt.
My man has never been to Egypt before. Right.
Okay, fine. Do you remember this, when we used to do this?
Oh, can you just... Enough.
We always did
Get
that.
out. Get out. Get out with your madness right now. Get out with your madness. Get out. Enough of this madness. Get out. Get out. Bring this rubbish. Bring it. Get out of my house.
talking! Stop talking! What happened between you and Duke? Where did you take him to?
Where else? Egypt, of course.
You did not take him to Egypt. You did not!
Oh, come on, now we're going to start talking about how the surgery did not work. Can you stop this now? You're making me... stop reminding me of all these things now.
If you took him to Egypt, how then did he end up in India? How?
What?
Exactly.
India?
Let me tell you. Let this better not be true. Let this better not be true. Let it not be true. Else you will not like what is coming to you. Do you understand me?
I'm so sorry I didn't believe you. Duke is the one in that house.
What happened?
I think we need to prove to that woman that the man in that house is Duke.
How do we do that?
I think we need to get some roses. Rose petals.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I know, I'm so sorry.
Benny, enough of this madness. You two have entertained us enough. Get out.
Duke, I know deep down that you know who we are. You remember when we used to do this? And the phone calls?
That's enough. Right? Get out.
My love,
you shenanigans.
You once said, you give me roses because our love was like roses. Do you remember?
Benny, enough of this madness. I've had enough of it. You two has entertained us very well. Now get out.
No,
Leave.
No, that's my husband seated right there. And I'll not leave here without him.
He doesn't know you. You are lying. Just get out.
He knows me.
Stop
That's my
lying.
husband.
He is not your husband.
He is my husband.
He is not your husband.
He is my husband.
He is my man. I have some mad women in my house. They are after my life. And you should come. Just come. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Don't you remember our cock dance?
Yes.
We used to do it when Mo Salah scores for Liverpool.
Yes. Do you remember
something?
Do you remember? You say you remember.
We will win now. We will win now. Hey. Oh my God. Go! 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 Oh my God. The winning team.
What's funny now? What's funny now?
Oh my God, let's watch.
I don't like it.
I'm winning you. Okay. Hey.
Yes! Yes!
Chase the plane. Chilling.
That's chilling.
No, you first. No, see,
calm
take
down.
it slow now.
Okay,
1, 2, yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Back.
7.
You understand?
Okay, like
Bum,
that,
bum,
like that.
Bum, 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 bum. Then bum, 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 bum.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh God.
You must go front, back.
Back, and then clap,
clap.
and then like this, like that. Achichirimba, achichirimba.
Do you understand?
Yeah, okay.
Yes! Yes! Musala, you remember this? Yes. He remembers.
He remembered.
You remember this?
He remembered.
Oh my God!
If you don't sleep left right now, I'll make you sleep. What is that? Get out! All of you! Get out! Get out! Rubbish! Get out!
For this. You will surely pay for this. Come get us out. We need to go to the police.
So, please, do I look mad to you? Do I? Please, I need to get out of this place. That lady, she's about to marry my husband. Come on, please.
That was how one of you was shouting at me the other time, asking me to go home and feed our children. That will make you feel better, right?
No, not that again. Please don't do that. Please don't do it.
She's not mad.
Say that again.
She's not mad. Her husband is my cousin.
I think you need this more. You need this more. So
Don't. I love you. Me more.
Brown, what do we do now?
Bro, if he reconciles with himself, we're in trouble.
Really big trouble, my brother. Man, we need to save ourselves from this mess, bro. I'm not ready to go to jail. We need to find a lasting solution to this.
We can't do this now. We can't.
Then when? We need to find a lasting solution to this.
We can't do it now.
What about tomorrow? Brown, we have to take this very serious.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Busy. How long are we going to stay here? I'm really scared. These men, they might just hurt us.
Calm down. We will get out of this alive.
How? Alive, you say? Tell me. Alive? And crazy? Or alive and healthy? Which one? Listen, Missy. These injections, they make me feel really, really dizzy. They make my head twirl. I feel so tired.
Calm down. Calm down. We'll be fine.
I feel really tired, Missy. So tired.
Hi, babe. Maduke. Ricky, Ricky.
Well,
Hmm?
well, Benny.
Benny?
Benny! Benny.
Benny.
Where is Benny?
There's no Benny here. It's just you and I. I'm V. Babe. Are you okay?
Who is she?
I don't know.
Where is she?
There's no Benny. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I don't know. Let's go up. Alright?
There's no Benny. Right, there's no Benny anywhere in this world. I love you. Babe.
Yeah.
I am so scared. I don't want to lose you. Are we fine? Let's go.
Come on.
They told us that you are dead.
Mama, I'm not dead, I am alive.
Your friend told us that you didn't make it after the surgery. He said that the Egyptian's government refused him from taking your corpse. And that is the reason he buried you there. Hey!
Mama, by the special grace of God, I'm alive. I'm not dead. Meanwhile, where is Brown?
I haven't set my eyes on him since then. Where is Benita, your wife?
I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know. The last time she came to this place, she was looking like a mad woman. She has gone through a lot.
Mama, did Brown bring anything to you?
Brown?
Yes.
No. Did you give him anything to give me?
So, Brown did not give you anything?
Not at all.
Brown. Brown.
Brown.
Brown.
Babe.
Brown. Where is Brown?
Who is Brown?
Brown. I am looking for Brown.
Anyway, I am going for morning work. Remember to lock the front door, okay? Kiss, kiss.
Brown.
Say it.
Did you see Brown?
Yara, lock the gate!
Calm down now. What is it now? I think there's a CCTV camera there. So, guy, bro, we need to do this job right away.
Bro, you don't have to mess this plan. Calm down. Let's have a constructive plan.
There's nothing to plan. Let's go.
Wait. Take it easy, bro. Ready for this?
How do you do your job? I having two beautiful women here. I mean, you can have the two of us. I'm sure that would be so fun.
You're right.
Yeah.
Oh, it'll be so fun.
No, I don't think he's at home. Oh, did you see anybody upstairs? I didn't see anybody. You know what? Let's start it back here, please. Okay, hurry up.
We are the agents.
I ask again, who are you two?
We are the agents.
What agent?
We are the one negotiating the purchase of this house. I called you yesterday on phone, ma.
Oh, yes.
Purchase of my house?
Yes.
Young man, this house is not for sale. And you didn't call me.
Ma, please just calm down. We can talk this out, okay?
Leave my house with whatever nonsense you have to say. Now. Calm down. Yarrow! Hey, don't come close.
Just,
I am live on TikTok. Just. Wait. Hey, people! I have members in my house! They want to kidnap me! Come here! Who is that fool? Yarrow! Yarrow! Yarrow!
Madam!
Yarrow! Yarrow!
Hey! Madam!
My friend, did you lock the gate?
No, madam. Madam, I don't lock am. Madam, I dey so. Oh, Chineke, man.
Did you lock the gate?
Madam, I don't know, say don't come on no first. I don't know where you take from us.
Are you not stupid? Are you not stupid? Did I not tell you to lock the gate? Where's my husband?
Husband?
Yes.
No way take come out. No. Madam, I don't know where you take come out.
You don't know where my husband left?
I don't know.
You're stupid.
Madam, I beg. Madam, I go die, oh. Hey.
Did anyone touch you? I'm so scared.
Who are you?
She didn't say that.
I said, who are you?
Babe, you are joking, right? Stop it. Babe!
Let's go.
I am
Oh, baby. Yeah. This is our wedding picture. Remember it, right?
Yes.
Our wedding portrait. Remember us, right?
Wow. This is me.
Yes, and you, baby.
This is nonsense.
What did you do?
This is nonsense.
Okay. Are you crying?
Babe, are you crying?
Is it?
Babe, can you just get out? Do I get you water? Are you fine? Okay. Maria?
Who are you?
What?
What's happening here?
Babe, I met you in hospital in India. You were clean and homeless. I took you in. Love found us. Came down here together and you asked me to marry you.
Babe.
TK.
Babe, what is she talking about?
It doesn't matter.
Babe, listen. Duke, this is your wife.
Yes.
This is Benny, your wife.
Babe, remember me?
How did I get here?
You know what? None of this matters. Let's just go home.
What's going on?
Don't worry
Babe,
about
listen. Don't pay attention to
You
her.
stay out! Who are you?
TK, babe, you asked me to marry you. We've been in this together for 5 good years. 5 good years of my life, and I'm not letting her win over. He is mine. Get out of my house, all right?
I missed you so much.
You get out! Get out of my house! Benny, get out! TK, don't do this to me. You can leave me. No.
Stop this!
You know what? Let's just go get your bags, okay? BC,
if you move an inch, you will see the demon in me.
I'll miss you. Take care.
Benny.
I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry.
Take care. So easy. Honey?
Brown, how could you do this to me?
Duke, I'm so sorry.
Brown, where is my money?
I will make it up to you. Promise.
Brown Kedekong, where is my money?
Kilo deceived me. I'm sorry.
Brown Gemunti, listen to me now. If I do not get my money in 72 hours, if you do not provide my money in 72 hours, I am going to deal with you. You and all your family members will be part of this war.
Please do. I'm sorry, I promise I will make it up to you. Please, don't hurt any of my family.
Punish you.
Please.
I will so deal with you, eh?
Duke, please. Kilo deceived me. I'm sorry. Duke! Duke!
What is it?
He has squandered all my money.
Don't worry. As long as there's life, you can get it all back, right? You don't have to worry. Let's just go home, okay? Let's just go home. It's okay. Come on. Calm down.
How can I let him go? Just like that. What is wrong with me? How am I supposed to cope without him? Today is my world.
You okay?
I'm good. We need to relocate.
That's fine. But where to exactly?
Maybe somewhere in Enugu, Port Harcourt, anywhere. But we need to leave the city.
Okay, that's fine. Whatever you want. But first, we need to go see Mama.
Oh yes, we should. I can't just wait to see her reaction.
Me too. Come. I missed you. I missed us. I miss you. I miss us.
I missed you too. There is something I need to discuss with you.
What is it?
About my life in India.
Oh, sorry. If it's something bad, I don't want to hear about it.
No, not too bad.
Oh, not too bad.
Yeah.
Well, as long as there's an element of bad in it, I don't want to hear it.
I wouldn't want to break us in the future.
Okay, but tell me, were you married to another woman in India?
No.
Do you have a child somewhere?
Not at all.
Settled? I don't want to hear it. Doesn't matter to me. Come on. Please.
Yeah, who's that?
Hi.
Good morning, V.
We need to talk.
Well, go ahead. We're listening.
Alone.
No, you can't talk to him alone.
Okay? Then I'll talk to you alone.
Wait. I'll be in the room, okay?
That's fine.
Excuse me.
Sure. What is it?
I am carrying his child.
What?
I am 6 weeks gone. I think we should all sit on a round table and talk about it. I mean, his responsibility. That is why I am here.
Why didn't you tell me about it? How long were you planning on hiding it from me?
What did she tell you?
Wow. You know what? I am done. I am so done. I am tired of fighting for you. You won. She won. You can get back together. Good riddance.
What exactly is going on?
My love is here with you. Give me my say.
What is going on?
I love. You say I'm
What's going on?
I only want my love. Go bim jolo. I love more. Go bim jolo. I'm not crazy at all. This is my love. Follow me. You say I'm mad. I love. I want my love. You say I'm oh yeah, I need my love. I want my love. Go bim jolo. I love more. Go bim jolo. I want my love back.
Hey, don't.
Babe, I'm glad you're here. Welcome.
Don't even try it. I'll just kill you. What did you tell my wife? Say it.
Nothing. I just wanted to see you. That's all, babe.
Who the hell are you? I'm asking you something, you want to touch me. What did you tell my wife?
Can you stop raising your voice at me? Can you? What has gotten to you? TK, if you want to know what I told your wife, come with me to the bedroom.
I am not going inside there. I'm not stepping in there. And let me warn you, stay away from my family. Stay away. Get back. Stay away. Quiet. Okay. Benny is gone. Benny is gone.
Gone?
Yes, Benny is gone.
To where?
I don't know. She wrote this. I don't know.
Okay, fine. Be patient, okay? I'll go look for her.
Of course.
Just be patient, okay? Let me go look for her.
Oh.
Okay.
What can I do for you?
What did you tell her?
What did you hear?
Listen, I understand that you're desperate to have Duke. But you need to learn that reality has kicked in. A lot of these people enjoy their marriage.
Are you done?
Obviously.
Yarrow!
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Do your job.
If you dare come close to me, I will leave a mark on your face. Go. Hello, Benny. Benny, where are you? Stop crying and talk to me now. Where exactly are you right now, please? What did V tell you exactly? Okay, listen. Whatever it is V told you, don't worry. I'm coming right now to you, okay? Just calm down, please. Just calm down before you do something bad to yourself. I'm coming right now, please. All right.
Benny. Oh my God. Please, can you tell me what is going on? You have been like this since you came in. What is going on? Talk to me. Huh?
Mama, all my efforts, they've all gone to waste.
But you told me that you'll be coming to surprise me. Is this the surprise? Talk to me, my daughter. What is happening? What is going on? What is it? Oh my God. Please. It's okay. My daughter, whatever it is, it's okay. Please calm down. Calm down and talk to me. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying.
So that was what happened.
Brown is at the police custody now.
Hey! So Brownie actually brought this pain to us because of his greed. I thank God Almighty who did not allow his evil plan to come to pass. Huh?
We are having the last laugh now.
Yes, so yes, my daughter.
Don't touch.
Babe?
What is going on, my son?
Let me go talk to him.
What?
What? Why are you going through all this? What did V tell you that made you leave the man that you have been missing for 2 years?
He doesn't love me anymore. He loves her more.
Is that what she told you? No. So what then? Where are you getting that from?
Missy, a man who loves you won't sleep with another woman.
Come on, just stop it. What do you expect from two people that have been together all this while? You don't expect them to do anything together? You don't think anything is going to happen? If this is why you left the house, it's not worth it.
Well, that's not it.
Then what then? This is so childish and frustrating.
Did she say anything?
Say anything.
I'm really getting frustrated.
Calm down. Calm down. I'm sure we must find out what the problem is.
My son, did you touch her? In that case, let me talk to her.
Okay.
I'll be right back. My daughter, what is the problem? Eh? Talk to me. Did my son lay his hands on you? Did he?
No.
Then what is the problem?
V.
V? What do you mean by V? Please, my daughter. If my son has done anything wrong to you, let me know so I can talk to him.
I want to be left alone, Mama.
You want to be left alone in my house? That is not possible. I cannot allow you to cry your eyes out. Talk to me. I've been trying to talk to you since morning. You're not saying anything.
Mama, please just leave me alone. Please.
I should leave you?
What did she say anything?
She said V. Who is V?
Where is my wife?
She's at the backyard.
No, I'm just coming from the backyard and she's not there.
Let me check her room.
Mama, I've done all that. She's not just nowhere to be found.
That means she has gone to her father's house.
Ah.
You have to go there and check for her. Huh?
Okay.
Go there.
Why are you doing this? Why do you always want to hurt us? Why?
Well, I just teased her. Told her I'm carrying a child.
Really? You just wanted to tease me? Well, you failed. Baby, let's go. Come, let's go home. It's okay.
My love is here with you. Give me my say I'm mad. Back and I love. You say I'm no longer. Oh yeah, I only want my lover. Go bim jolo. I love more. Go bim jolo. I'm not crazy at all. This is my love. Follow me out. You say I'm mad. Back and I love. I want my love. You say I'm no longer. Oh yeah, I need my love. I want my love. Go bim jolo. I love more. Go bim jolo. I want my love back. Oh. You say I'm mad. Back and I love more. You say I'm no longer. Oh yeah, I only want my love. Go bim jolo. I love more. Go bim jolo. Please give me my love. I want my love. Oh. You say I'm not natural love. I'm not the wrong. You say I'm not a man. I'm not the wrong. I want my love. My love. Go bim jolo. I love more. Go bim jolo.
Odogu. Agum.
So I can see you ever, baby. I can hold you at last, baby more. Our love shine brighter in the dark of night. The past may have deceived, but our love has prevailed forever and always. Our heart will never fall apart. My love is here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now?
How old are you now?
How old are you now?
Okay, you're gonna hold this knife, cut the cake, and tell us how old you are.
Well, first off, thanks for all of this, because I know this was your idea. And I know the one behind this horrible idea is Duke. Oh, thank you, honey. It's lovely.
Hip, hip, hip. Hooray!
Happy birthday,
Many more years to you.
Thank
Many
you.
more years to you. Many more years, many more years. Many more years.
Living without you.
Thank you. Thank you, babe. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And I'm not sure. Oh, baby, where are you? Where are you, baby? Baby, where are you? Where are you, baby? I can see your shadow. Where are you? Your presence is here, baby. Baby, where are you? Where are you? Come back to me. Years of tears, where are you? Years of pain, baby. Trying to move on, but my heart's frozen.